So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is first thing Saturday morning, and later on today we're going to have a couple hundred people here for daughter Hannah and Tyler's wedding. Now we've been getting ready for this wedding for the last couple weeks and things have gone really well. This morning I just need to touch up a few things, do some mowing, fix the driveway up just a bit. We had some serious rain there Wednesday night, Thursday, and a little bit yesterday, but everything's drying out nicely and it's shaping up to be a beautiful day. I'll bring you along this morning as we take care of a few odds and ends, and then I'll show you kind of the whole setup and how things are going to shake out this evening. And also, we will probably be live streaming some of the wedding on Melissa's channel, Morgan's Off the Leash, and we'll definitely be live streaming the fireworks show on my channel, Outdoors with the Morgans, probably around 10 p.m. Eastern. Probably 10 p.m. Eastern, I think is about when we'll do the fireworks. So I'm really excited and looking forward to the wedding tonight. It's going to be a great time with friends and family and good food, fireworks, all that. But I'm also looking forward to it all being over. And I don't say that in a negative way, just kind of getting anxious to get everything put away, get back to normal, get back to work on the building and all the things we do around here. All right, I got the driveway shaped up, but I'll have to do it again probably in a couple days. Some people can drive on a gravel driveway on a hill. Some people can't. It's just the way it is. Okay, next up, a little mowing. I really need to get this mower cleaned up after the wedding. Everything I have is out of fuel, needs greased, cleaned up, but we'll get to all that this week. Alright, I got all the mowing done. I've got the Kubotas all lined up here. They'll kind of greet the guests. And I brought the dump trailer up here. We've got like, I don't know, 3 or 4 kids that are going to be working at the wedding, just kind of taking care of little things. And one of those things will be bringing all the full trash bags over here behind the building, put in the dump trailer. Then on Monday, I'll take that and anything else that needs to go to the landfill. All right, now I got to run these signs over to neighbor Cliff's. So we're going to be doing most of the parking of cars. All right, I got the signs installed over at neighbor Cliff's. I'll give you a look around here. There'll be a bunch of people here in just a bit to put all the table settings on, tablecloths, whatever they do there. But there's 250 chairs under this tent right here. Over in this area, I just need to clean up a little bit, hit everything with the leaf blower, and then we'll go back here to where the ceremony is going to be. And of course, you know, down below by the wood pile, by the sawmill, down below the sawmill is where we'll set all the fireworks off tonight. And I'll tell you what, looking at the grass here, that rain really helped us out the other day. I mean, I wasn't sure when it was pouring down rain if it was a good thing, but the yard was getting all browned out and dying. It was really, really dry, but that rain just kind of brought everything back to life in no time. And then over here, still have to set the chairs up out there where they're going to get married. I think there'll only be like 60 people for the actual ceremony. But this dried out real nice. Nice spot for a wedding. That all gets decorated back there. But I think my work is about done. I do. We got a bunch of people. You don't want me doing all the decorating anyways, but we got a bunch of people coming over to take care of all that. So it should be good. And the weather is absolutely beautiful. Nice and cool. I'm glad it's not like it was earlier in the week there. It was in the 90s and humid. All right, so I think that's about it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Like I said earlier, check out Melissa's channel, Morgan's Off the Leash. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon, and you'll get notification tonight when she does a live stream at the wedding. I'm not sure how much of that we'll do, but then we'll definitely do the fireworks around 10 p.m. Eastern on our channel. It'll be a good fireworks show. Probably not as long as what we normally do for the 4th of July. Usually it's 25 or 30 minute long show. For this, it'll probably be 10 or 15 minutes, but a little bit more intense, so it should be pretty good. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.